Are you concerned about the appearance of your nose? Does it have stripes? Should it not have stripes? Or does it have stripes and they're too close together? Or are they too far apart? We're going to fix that in this episode of Black Hills and Eastern Railroad. I'm going to actually apply the paint with a Pache 2-stage airbrush. You guys have seen me do that before, so there's probably no point in showing that again. I'm going to do that outside today. It's nice enough outside where we need ventilation for this Tru-Color paint. This is not acrylic like some of that other stuff that I spray, and I will clean it up with acetone, and if I need to thin the paint, I will do so with acetone as well. So I'll bring you back as soon as I've got that paint applied, and we're ready to apply decals to the noses of these units. So I'm back from the paint booth in the great outdoors here now, and I've got that green laid on the noses of these engines, and you can't see much contrast here from the phone, but there's definitely a difference in color on that nose. But I think we're going to be okay once we get those green stripes laid on there. I am using decal set from the Microscale line 87364. That is no stripes for BN engines. If you need to do a bunch of those, they have different styles of stripes, different widths and things like that. So that's what I'm going to be laying on here. I've got them in a wet piece of paper towel on with distilled water, and we're going to slap these on here. So I'm setting these decals with a little Micro-Sol here with just a regular paintbrush, and I probably will go back and touch up those walkways there, kind of a little fuddy looking from the film or the paint that sloughed off as I was doing the stripping. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do that. Got that decal underneath there a little bit. I really like working with these Microscale decals. They seem to be tough, hold up to rough handling. They settle down when you put the using Microscale Micro-Set, and we'll bring you back here when we get these engines detail parts put back on and out on the layout. We'll go back out to the layout now and take a look at these two engines on the point of a mixed manifest train, along with the assistance of an Atlas Redbox C30-7, which I also gave the same basic treatment as these two units with a few minor details changed. That might wait for another episode. Here's where we've reached the point where we're going to pull the pin on this episode. I hope you've enjoyed the content here. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one.